Kramgoa Ladder 7. Kramgoa Ladder 7 is a 1979 Vikingarna studio album, and the band's first album following Christer Sjögren replacing Stefan Borsch as the band's singer. The album was re-released to CD in 1996. Track listing. Side 1. Jinghai's Khan D Shinghai's Khan 3. 3. H. Jartats Rost Jealous Heart 2. 23. Annie's Song Instrumental 3. 14. Du Lamnar Migsahar 3. 14. Salange du Alskar are du 500 miles away from home 3. 22. Jag Kamerhem I'm coming home 2. 27. Jag Var Sakar 2. 55. Such a Night 2. 57. Side 2. Hallelujah 3. 11. Veronica 3. 24. Playa Ingles 3. 20. Twilight Time 3. 16. Hooray, 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 it's a holy holiday 3. 0. Tropa Mej Can't Help Falling in Love 2. 42. Jean Mig and Sang 3. 16. Charts. References